your ultimate destination for comprehensive car reviews and immersive automotive experiences, where we dive deep into the world of luxury, performance, and innovation. Today, we're taking you on an exciting POV drive of the elegant yet dynamic 2024 Volvo XC60 B6 AWD, a car that perfectly embodies the spirit of Scandinavian design, modern technology, and powerful engineering. This luxury mid-size SUV is powered by a robust 2.0-liter four-cylinder, turbocharged and supercharged mild hybrid engine, generating an impressive 295 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, all delivered seamlessly through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Designed for the modern adventurer, the all-wheel drive system provides exceptional stability and grip on every terrain, making it a joy to handle in any weather. The combination of performance, refinement, and sustainability makes the 2024 XC60 B6 AWD a true standout. Our drive begins in the serene suburban streets, where the car's quiet, smooth ride quality is immediately noticeable. Thanks to Volvo's advanced suspension system and exquisite tuning, road imperfections are practically non-existent, emphasizing its impeccable balance between comfort and control. Acceleration is effortless, with 0 to 60mph achieved in a swift 6.2 seconds, making merging onto highways a breeze. Shifting into sport mode enhances the driving experience further, providing sharper responses and a more aggressive throttle feel, without compromising Volvo's legendary composure. As we weave through twisty roads, the XC60 B6 AWD showcases its precise handling capabilities, while the steering remains light and responsive, ensuring a confidence-inspiring connection to the road. Inside the meticulously crafted cabin, which is a hallmark of Volvo's attention to detail, the premium Nappa leather seats offer sublime comfort with ventilation and massage functions, creating a sanctuary that complements the vehicle's commanding performance. Natural wood trim, elegant chrome accents, and a minimalist dashboard embody the perfect blend of luxury and simplicity. The standout 12.3-inch driver display and the vertically oriented 9-inch central touchscreen running the Google-based infotainment system keep all vital controls within easy reach, featuring seamless integration with Google Maps, Spotify, and even Google Assistant. As we venture onto open roads, the crisp audio quality from the Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system elevates the journey, making even mundane commutes feel like indulgent escapes. From its refined adaptive cruise control to its innovative pilot assist system, the XC60 B6 AWD allows for effortless long-distance travel, reinforcing Volvo's commitment to driver-centric innovation. Safety remains at the core of the Volvo ethos, with features such as lane-keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera system that make navigating through tight city streets or winding country roads a worry-free experience. The 2024 Volvo XC60 also boasts an eco-friendly edge, with its mild hybrid powertrain enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, perfectly catering to a more sustainable future without sacrificing performance. With ample cargo space, power-operated tailgate, and versatile rear seats, the XC60 ensures practicality matches luxury. As the POV experience concludes with us coasting into a picturesque sunset on the horizon, the beauty of this Volvo truly shines through a harmonious blend of luxury, sophistication, and capability that exceeds expectations for those seeking a refined yet adventurous lifestyle. If the roads could talk, they would undoubtedly sing praises of the X60. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autolink for the most authentic, engaging, and detailed car journeys. From the suburbs to the mountains, we deliver unparalleled automotive experiences for enthusiasts like you. This has been another exhilarating adventure with Autolink, where your drive starts and your passion never stops. Until next time, keep exploring, keep thriving, and keep driving forward.